Hello everyone, today I would like to show you one website that allow you to watch any films or watch any movie for free. So let's go with me. Okay, the first of all, let's go to the browser. So you can choose any browsers that you want. You can choose Chrome or you can choose Internet Explorer as you wish or as you want. So first of all, please go to the search bar or the search box here. You can type here or you can also type here. So for me, I will type here. So please go to the website we call movies to watch. Okay, movies to watch, and then please press enter to search, and the result will show you at the top here. We call movies to watch.tv. So please click on this link and then it will lead you to the website, the home page of this website. So this is the home page of the website we call movies to watch. So this website will allow you to watch any film or any movie for free. So in here you can see the search box. Here you can see a search box here. So you can type any title of any movie that you want to watch. Example, for me, I want to watch a film called Love Comes Softly, and then the movie will appear here, the title on the movie. So this is the movie that I am looking for, so I will click on it. Because this website have some advertisement, so sometimes it appear like this. You can click here to and here you can see the movie, so I will click on this movie and then it will take me to this page. So if you want to watch the movie now, you can click on here, watch now. So I will click on watch now. So the movie is loading here, so you need to wait. Please wait a moment, and it is ready to watch now. You can click here to watch the movie. So the movie is starting now. Yes, the movie is starting now. In here you can also turn the volume down or turn the volume up as you wish, and if you want it is louder, you can turn it up or turn it down. Okay, and we have some options here. In here you can use a subtitle. So if you want to use a subtitle, you can click here and the subtitle will appear here for you to use. And some films have many languages like English, Spanish, Chinese or Thai like that, but in this film have only one subtitle, so have only English. So if you want to watch the subtitle, you can click on English here and you can play the movie. So the subtitles start to appear on the screen, so you can watch the movie and you can also watch the subtitle is running along the screen like you see here. Okay, so this website is very important, and it is awesome that you can see the films or any movie for free. You do not need to pay any money, or you do not need to create any account. Just come to this website and you can watch straightly. Okay, and here you can also see the top movie, the top rating. So if you want to watch the movie here, you can click here and you can also see the movie result here. So these movies are the top movie that a lot of people watch. And the movie that is recently released. So you can choose any movie that you want. So these movie are the top movie, and the movie that the most people they are watching. A lot of people they are watching, so this movie appear at the top. So example, if I want to watch this movie, I will click on this one and I will click on watch now. And when I click on watch now, it is loading the video. When the video is loading ready, it will appear one advertisement, and you can click here to let the movie load again, and the movie is starting now. So, and here the same, you can choose the subtitle, and the subtitle here will have only English. Okay, so I click here. It is starting now. It is about what? Oh, it is a cartoon movie. Yep. And one more special thing is that the movies in here, the most of the movies are in full HD, so it has a good quality or good resolution. It's very high resolution. And there is one more special feature in this website. You can also download for free. So if you want to download, you can click here, the yellow button here, you can click on it, and it will take you to this page. It will take you to this page, and in here it has two options. So in here you can in here you can click here to download the subtitle. So if you want to download the subtitle, you just click here to make it drop down, and you can click on download, and it start download now, so it is complete. And one more, the red button here is when you click here, you will start to download the movie. So it has two options here: download the subtitle, and here you start to download the movie. And you can see the information about the movie here, the file size. So the file size of this movie is 797 megabytes, and this movie is uploaded by Kali on September the 9th, 2021, and at 3:24 a.m. GMT +2 time in Berlin. So this is the information about the movies or about the film. So you can download it, but if you don't want to download it, you can only watch on its website. So I think this website is very good and very important, very useful for you. So I think this video will help you a lot in watching any film or watching any video for free. So this website, you can also watch the movie for entertainment, but one more purpose, you can also watch the movie for learning English, because in this website it has many films, it has many movies in English language. So you can watch the movie to learn English, to practice your listening, or to practice your reading, or to practice any other skills that you need. Okay, so this is what I want to show you in this video. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next video. So thank you everyone, and may God bless you. Bye bye.